Hey there, welcome back to VideoGen AI, the channel where I share the coolest AI tools to help you create content, save time, and even make money online. So, let me ask you, have you ever wanted to create professional YouTube or TikTok videos, but you felt stuck because editing takes forever, and the software is just complicated? Well, today I'm going to show you something that will change the game. Imagine turning a simple script or story idea into a fully animated, narrated, and subtitled video, without filming a single second and without touching any editing software. Sounds too good to be true? I thought the same, until I discovered VideoGen AI. This tool lets you go from idea, ready to publish video in just minutes. Whether you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, create TikToks, or share educational videos, VideoGen AI makes it super easy. Stick around, because in this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to set up VideoGen AI, how to create your first video in just a few clicks, and finally, how to export it in high quality, ready for YouTube and TikTok. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share a secret tip to make your videos stand out, and how to save time repurposing them across multiple platforms. All right, let's jump in and create your first AI-powered video together. Open your web browser, Chrome, Edge, or Safari, whichever you like. In the search bar, type this link, hp/videogen.io FPRMINH33. Don't worry, I've also left it in the description so you can just click it. Hit enter, and in a second, you'll land right on the VideoGen homepage. The homepage is super clean and easy to navigate. You'll see a big welcome banner with options to sign up or log in. If this is your first time here, click Sign Up. You can either enter your email and set a password, or choose the faster option, log in with Google. I'm going to log in with Google because it takes just 2 seconds. Click Done. Now we're inside the VideoGen dashboard. The interface is super beginner-friendly. On the screen, you'll notice 3 main options. Create new video, manage your video's account settings. For this tutorial, we're going to click Create New Video, the big red button in the center. Next, VideoGen will ask you to pick your video format. This is super important because it depends on which platform you're posting to. 16:9 for standard YouTube videos or any long-form content. 9:16 for vertical TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. 1:1 if you want a square format for Instagram feed posts. For this demo, I'll select 16.9 because we're making YouTube video. Then click Continue. You'll also see template options. If you have the Pro plan, you'll get access to more styles, transitions, and features. This is where the magic happens. If you already have a script ready, just paste it into the content box. For today's example, I have a short intro about my animated story. A cheerful spring morning where the best friends, the turtle and the rabbit, happily head to school together. So here's what I'll do. Paste the script into the box. Select the voice I want for narration. VideoGen offers multiple AI voices: male, female, warm, energetic, you name it. For this demo, I'm choosing Adam, which has a clear, friendly tone that works perfectly for storytelling. Once you've got the script and voice selected, click the Generate Video button. Now, depending on the length of your script, VideoGen will take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute to create your video. While it's processing, the AI automatically generates high-quality visuals and animations, adds subtitles that sync with the narration, inserts background music, and puts it all together in a professional, ready-to-publish video. You don't have to do any manual editing. The AI does it for you. When the video is ready, you'll see a preview screen. Play the video to check if the timing, voiceover, and subtitles look good. Make small adjustments if needed, like subtitle style or size, background music volume, adding your channel logo or watermark. If you're planning to upload for international audiences, you can even change the video language with just a click. Once you're happy with everything, hit Publish. VideoGen will ask you to choose your output quality: 1080p, Standard HD, good for most uploads; 4K, crystal clear and professional, available for pro users. After publishing, you can share the public link directly, download the video file for YouTube, TikTok, and that's it. We've just created a professional, animated, and narrated video using VideoGen AI without touching any complicated editing software. Pretty cool, right? In just a few clicks, we went from a simple idea to a ready-to-publish YouTube and TikTok video. No filming, no expensive gear, no stress. Before we wrap up, here's my little reminder. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like. It really supports the channel. Subscribe to VideoGen AI and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on the latest AI tools and content creation tips. And most importantly, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried VideoGen AI yet? What kind of videos are you planning to create? Your comments not only help me know what tutorials to make next, but they also inspire other creators in our community. Also, don't forget to check the link in the description to try VideoGen AI for yourself. Once you see how fast and easy it is to create videos this way, you'll never want to go back to traditional editing again. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see the amazing videos you create with AI. I'm VideoGen, and I'll see you in the next video with more AI tips, content hacks, and creative ideas.